Hey guys, V-Man here, back with another Chainsawman reaction. In the last episode, Pochita gave Dingy his heart and said, "Go ahead, live out your dream. I just want to be there to watch you do it." So that was really awesome of him. So Dingy now has the power to transform into Chainsaw Man at will, I guess. I did think it was gonna be permanent, but apparently not, because he like melted away at the end whenever the public safety officer showed up, and it looks like Dingy will be working for them now. So he went from devil hunting for a mob boss to now, I guess, working alongside with or working for the public safety officer. Still don't know her name yet. Um, to be honest, I'm a little iffy because the way that she worded it sounded like he's just, another hitman for somebody else now. But I guess we're gonna see how it works and go ahead and get into it. So here we go with episode 2 of Chainsaw Man. Oh no, what's up with her eyes?
デンジ君はこれから私に飼われることになります。返事ははいかワンだけ。いいえなんていう犬はいらない。
いらないって。
鑑識課の知り合いから聞いたんだけど、使えないうちの犬は安楽死させられるんだって。
Alright, so another slave hitman it is. She said you can only say yes or wolf. No is not an acceptable answer.
好きなの言いなよ。私お金出すから。あと半裸じゃ目立つからこれ着な。はい。
I mean, she seems cool. Pick what you want, I'll pay for it. But then, I don't know. Still just trying to feel her out, so we'll see how this goes. He did say he wanted a girlfriend to cuddle at night.
カレーうどんもいいっす。すみません。チェーンソーで自分の体も切れちゃって、血出すぎて貧血なるみたいっす。
Oh, well, that sucks. So when he's using his power, he's like losing blood at the same time.
そっか、すげえ。そりゃすげえ。
No, like, for real, that actually sucks. Like, it's cool he gets to live, but using your powers also has a side effect on him. This man needs, like, a transfusion or something.
うどん。うどん。
This man woke up looking for his food. Hey, it'd be like that sometimes, but
一人で食べれる？
食べれる。食べれません。
this guy.
はい。
あーん。
おいしい？
Yeah. This man is playing his role to the fullest.
デンジ君みたいな人。
デンジ君。俺じゃん。
I don't know, Dingy, she might be using you, dude. But we'll see.
ここがデビルハンター東京本部だよ。
She's at the Tokyo headquarters, so I guess they have some all around the world.
一緒に仕事していくうちにそういう関係になってくんじゃねえか。そういう関係になったらそういう行為もできるんじゃ。
And if we get together, we can get together.
そういう行為して。
君の同僚に合わせるから。
You gonna put him on the payroll too? Or
お前とマキマさんとでは格が違う。見回り行くぞ。やだ、マキマさん。
君の働きぶりが良ければ一緒に仕事できるよ。
at least she helped him tie his tie. You know, it's like when when a toddler or like a really young child has a crush on a girl, like an older girl, like his sister's best friend or something, and she can get him to do whatever. That's the vibe that I'm getting from this right now.
ちょっと来い。
He's either really serious or he's her. Oh, that might be her boyfriend. Okay. Just gonna take me to an alley and beat me up? That's crazy.
お前さ、マキマさん目当てでデビルハンターなったろ。ピンポーン。じゃあ殴って正解だったな。
You spit on him? Nah, that's crazy. That's so disrespectful. Like, You'd have to fight after that. He deserved it. I'm here for it. Again? Dude. That's a bit much. He deserved the first two, but that was a lot. Bet you won't hit him again though.
俺は軽い気持ちでデビルハンターなったけどよ。この生活続けるためだったら死んでもいいぜ。
Yeah, I was about to say anything would be better than what he used to be doing or how his life used to be. So again, bro. Hey, it happens.
先輩が金玉の悪魔に弾を襲われました。
By the nut devil.
嘘です。こいつの嘘です。
見ないような実験的な体制で動かしてみる。
So he leads an experimental team.
公安を辞職したり違反行動があった場合、デンジ君は悪魔として処分されます。
Yeah, so
どういうこと？
like the other guy was telling him to quit if you're just gonna follow her around, but I mean like he doesn't have any other options. If he doesn't work for them, he's dead. So, and plus this life is better than his old one. So hey.
マキマさん、もう一回抱きてえな。
So I guess he does like her easier.
ジャム、オレンジジャムにバターとハチ。
He has like a quadruple decker sandwich or something.
あとシナモン
With
か
just
けちゃおう。
nothing but jam in the middle.
最強のパンが出てき
Oh,
ま
it's
した
just on one
ぜ。
piece of bread. Okay. He's living the dream right now.
殺すだ殺すだ殺すだデビルハンターどもが。おい、なんで悪魔の力使わなかった？やりたくて。いいか、覚えとけ。魔人も立派な悪魔だ。デビルハンターが悪魔に同情するな。
What's the like he killed it though with one hit. So what's the problem? I mean, I don't feel like there's anything wrong with.
俺は悪魔をできるだけ苦しむように殺してやりたいぜ。
So you just have a vendetta basically.
やりたいのか？
Because I mean, as long as you kill it, like it's dead. So I don't really see making it suffer how it's gonna do anything. So I wonder if Pochita just took over his body. If he would be like a fiend, would he look like how he does when he transforms, like 24/7?
本当はエロ本に血つけたくなかっただけなのに。
Yeah.
チェンソーになると血飛び散って汚れちまうからな。もう100点の生活なのに。なんか足りない気がする。なんかあったか？マジでマジのゴール。あいつはきっと復讐的なあれだ。あいつらは家族を守ること。
Yeah, so he just doesn't have like a purpose yet. Yeah, he's like you said, his life is 100% better than it was in the first episode, but he doesn't have a goal that he wants to get to yet. He's just kind of living life right now.
見つけたぜ。俺の本気。俺の
That's your motivation
それは
to feel some breath.
胸だ。
Yeah, okay.
胸だ。
おい、話聞けバカ。
He just said that out loud? Oh my.
彼女は魔人だ。
Oh, she's a fiend.
おうおう、ひげ伏せ人間、わしの名はパワー。バディとやらはうぬか？
She has eyes like what's her name? So is the other lady a fiend?
まあいいか。よろしくな。
He changed up real quick. So her eyes have a different design, but it's the same kind of look for the most part.
人間。
What was that
早く
for?
なんか殺させろ。
ある程度の理不尽なら辛いよけりゃ許せる。
I can put up with crazy as long as she's hot enough. Nah, that'll get you in trouble. I wouldn't recommend doing that. It's a sea cucumber. I was like, that doesn't look like that. So she can control her own blood. All right, so that was episode 2 of Chainsaw Man. We got introduced to Power, and I want to say the other guy's name, but I know I'm gonna butcher it, so I'm not even gonna worry about it. The leader of the Special Division 4, the experimental unit. So we got to meet them, learn a bit more about Dingy's conditions, I guess. So as long as he works with him and doesn't try to run off or anything like that, he'll be safe. But anything else, one step out of line and he's dead. So yeah, like I said, so far the show's going really well. I like how efficient they are for the most part. Dingy and Power, they just they killed the other devils with one hit, just quick, efficient, to the point. And that's not something you see really a lot in anime, so I really do appreciate it. I think it's a nice little twist. I'm sure as we get further into the series, some of the villains or devils are gonna get a bit more, stronger or something like that. Be more of a challenge for them. But yeah, I really like the tone. I think Power is gonna be like a nice little chaotic character in the show. She's very just sporadic and just acts on emotions for the most part. I will say though that I'm still a little bit on edge about Miss Makima. Her intentions for me, they're still just kind of up in the air. I guess what she really wanted is just to be able to make that team of devil hunters, like using devils to hunt devils, is basically, I feel like, what her end goal may be. I'm really not sure. She's really just kind of a mystery. And Dingy using her as motivation is, I guess, something. Like he said, his life is already 10 times better. It hasn't even been a day yet, I don't think. But it's already 10 times better. But he's still missing, that thing that drives him, that keeps him going. So I guess if he's going to use her to do that, then, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, so this was episode 2 of Chainsaw Man, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.